Okay, let us go back to our Ramayana tales. People are asking me why Ramayana, which happened about 7,000 years ago, what is the importance of Ramayana now? Importance is there, no? There are so many importance, everything is well connected. First episode I said, Purvam Ramatapovanadigamanam. Okay. Rama went to forest. Why Rama went to forest? Rama went to forest. That was we discussing right now, no? And he went for 14 years. His social distancing, that too for 14 years. Doesn't it have an importance in this time, this period? Think about that. It has, no? Okay. That is one thing. Second is, this is the story of a household. A household where 3 queens and how many children? 4 children. What all things happened in their lives? What all things happened and how it affected the kingdom? How it affected the prajas? We are facing the same thing right now, no? Everything is interconnected if you think like that. If you think that, oh, it is 7,000 years old, it will be like that only. But there is a connection everywhere, isn't it? Okay. So, that is the connection. However, so there is some good news was expected in Ayodhya Rajdhani, Dasharatha Maharaja's palace. And we are all waiting for the good news. Yes, again that drum beat is, I can hear the sound. The drum is beating, the sound of the conch is there. People are running towards the palace. Okay, let us come, we will also join them. Let us see what happened. What is happening there? The time is around 12:30, January month. I think 10th is the date. I don't know because, exactly I don't remember because I traveled from such a distance and I lost the time. Okay. So, yes, what is that? Soldiers standing outside, they are talking something, no? They are whispering. What are they talking? What is it? Yes, one boy is born. Yeah, one boy is born. And what is the Rashi? Rashi is Karkadagam. And what is the time? It's 12:30 p.m. Very good, no? I am so happy. And Dasharatha Maharaja's happiness, there is no bound to his happiness. He is very much happy. And the boy is born to the eldest one, Kausalya, Queen Kausalya. And she was on her maternity bed, and the child Shyamala Varnan. Shyamala Varnan means black color. Black color boy. So beautiful he is. And he is lying there looking at his mother. And Kausalya's joy, she is looking at her child like this. And there is a story behind this, Kausalya and Dasharatha Maharaja, in their previous janam, they prayed to Lord Vishnu that you must take birth as a child to us, to me and Dasharatha. Okay. So that wish is fulfilled by Lord Mahavishnu. Lord Mahavishnu itself, one of his incarnations out of the 10, mainly we discuss. We have so many incarnations, but 10 is what we discuss normally. Malsya Kurma Varaho Narahari Vamana Bhargava Raghuvira Balabhadrachuda Kalki. That is the 10 main avatarams, incarnations of Vishnu we discuss. He is Malsya Kurma Varaho Narahari Vamana Bhargava Raghuvira. Okay? Sri Rama Avataram is born. Black color child. Okay? And when all the nurses who were attending the mother Kausalya just went that way, she got a darshanam. Vishwa Rupa Darshanam of Mahavishnu. You know, mothers know their child very well. Mothers have this gift, you know, than the fathers. Now she knew that this is Mahavishnu itself who has come to my lap as a child. Raghavam Karunakaram Bhayanashanam Duridapaham Madhavam Madhusudanam Purushottamam Parameshwaram Ragam Jaya Bhavukam Ripumaragam Tvam Bhaje Jagadishwaram Nararupinam Reghunandanam Nararupinam Reghunandanam Nararupinam Reghunandanam Nararupinam Reghunandanam. Yes, that mother Kausalya, she got the Virat Rupa Darshanam of Mahavishnu, and she said, folding her hands in front of her son, she said, please go back as a normal child, because you are born as a child to Kausalya Devi. Okay? So Mahavishnu, from his Virat Rupa, he become that normal child. That is the birth of Shri Ram. Okay? Kausalya Devi, she is a blessed soul, no? She got the darshana, not Dasharatha Maharaja. He was also a very noble, pious king. He did so many yajnas, so many yagams, but he didn't get the chance to see the Lord's Virat Rupa, Vishnu. He didn't get the chance. That is the secret of mothers. She knows, only the mother knows a child better than anyone on the earth. A mother knows the child. Ramayanam teaches you this. Will you say there is no connection to the present time? Will you able to say after hearing this story? No, na? That's it. And next day, one more child is born. And the other day, two more children. Twins. One boy to Kaikeyi Mata, two children to Sumitra. They were twins. Okay? Let us stop here. We got 4 children to play with.